Welcome to Jothi Silambam Kshakthiriya Gurukulam, and today we are talking about the healthy life and the clever people. And people nowadays want to be clever than healthier because nobody want to be healthy life. They want to be clever people. So why the cleverness is not only the life they want it? Because they want to make money and spend money for be healthy. And that is not impossible. You know, why you be a short distance to touch your nose, you are to all the way touching your nose in the all the way around your head. So that is the way you are doing nowadays. That is not a clever. Clever means you have to take care of your health is clever. You have to be fitness is clever. Be healthy is clever. It's not making money and then be healthy is not a clever. Make money, spend money for be clever. So nowadays, why you want to make so much money? I want to be healthy. And you want to eat healthy food, I need more money. You don't need a healthy food for more money. You just need some soil, healthy soil and just good seed. Put the good seed in a healthy soil. The tree comes and the plant comes, then you be healthy food. You don't need to be go and believe some supermarket, they selling the healthy food. They are same like you. They are also not touching the short distance of nose. They also put the around the nose. Okay, what they do, they will pay for somebody, want the organic. They not produce organic. They just label it to be organic. Label is only organic, not healthy is organic. So you are believing the wrong people. Just believe in yourself, be in a healthy life. So that is the only way to be healthy. Nowadays what happening, all the people want to be a clever. They want to be a night shift, working all the IT people working in a night shift, working in the whole night, 2 days, non-stop working for money. This and all is spoiling your lifetime, life source in your lifetime. You want to spend all your life source, and why you are living in this planet? Life source is more important. It's not money is important. Why you are selling your life source just for the money? That's not a healthy. Like a battery has some kind of electricity. After the electricity was gone, what the battery was used for? Use and throw. You have to throw the battery. Like body is like this. Don't waste your electric energy in your body for just for money. Just be healthy life. Just generating your electricity with your healthy food. So that is the only way you are living. So we are teaching our art just for being a healthy life. Everybody want to be a clever people, not healthy people. Every parents want to be my children will be educated, not to be fit and healthy. So what I will explain to the people, just teach your children to be a healthy and fit, being a healthy life. That is the only way to keep our life source and energy, protecting our country, protecting our parents. Everything's come from healthy people, not from wealthy people. Wealthy people, they forgot everything. They don't know what they are living for. Wealth will change the people mentality, but health cannot change the people mentality. So teach your children to be healthy. If anyone have any doubts, you write about it. Thank you so much. Bye.